Morning. Okay, we got all the parts. That's loud. Got all the parts to put the updated bearing kit in that ripper. We're not going to do that today. We are going to start up some tractors. We're going to get some wagons. We're going to start corn today. We switched over the combine on the weekend. The corn hand is on, and yeah, they're talking more crappy days later this week, so we'll get to the ripper on those. It was -5 this morning. Lovely morning, nice and crisp. So that's the weather we're going to be dealing with here right shortly. Looks like it's going to be fairly cold and crappy. Talking snow potentially tonight. It is what it is. So yeah, we'll go start those tractors up and we'll get hooked to these wagons and prepared. Just so everybody knows, yesterday I had Mike go around, checked all the oil of all the tractors, make sure there's diesel in them all, so I'm well aware the oil is good. Okay, we are hooked ready. I'm just putting a little diesel in the combine. I'm gonna go park these over there and come back, get another set. And we're kind of set up. We're gonna start right here on the home farm. There's 40 acres of corn right here. So first stuff I planted. It's not the driest that we got, but I think it's gonna be okay to start the home farm. Just in case there's a kink. Shop's right here. Nothing like driving to your furthest farm the first time and, oh no, problems. Now for the, that's not a super long walk back, but we'll walk back to the front, get the next set. So Wes, he's obviously making feed. Mike, he's down gathering the eggs this morning. So until everybody gets the other jobs finished, we're just gonna kind of get things set up, and if it takes a little longer, so be it. It'll be go time once everybody gets here. If you're wondering how the birds are doing, they're doing fantastic. Yesterday they laid 46%, and that was day 3 in the barn. So we're pretty happy with that. Every day it's been going up. Water consumption, feed consumption's been going up. They look happy, healthy. We'll get in there and show you, because I'm kind of excited to show everybody what I've seen and what's been going on in there and how I like that system. Getting the exercise. Yeah, Owen's heading to start. We'll bring the set of wagons later. I don't really need another set for right here on the farm. I'll hop in the buggy, we'll get things moving. The biggest thing is getting the dryer going today. Hopefully it all goes smooth. Jeez. Dust is rolling. We'll see once he gets in there. Just gonna do some minor adjustments in the settings and see what goes on. So I'm just gonna do a little walk here while he's doing the first pass. I say this every year, just looking at how everything's looking. You know, we got a little kernel there. Nothing, but a few kernels out the back yet. Again, he literally just got in the first pass here, so we'll see how the second pass looks. Maybe he has the wind too high. We'll give him a moment. Definitely want to get rolled into it. But actually, in all fairness, I think it's looking pretty good for the first startup. See how we're looking the extra rows with the 6-row. You can definitely easily see you're blowing out the back. He's gonna make some adjustments there, but we'll get it. I don't even know what the moisture is yet. So yeah, we're claiming average of 23 right now. That's acceptable. Okay, it's time to go do my job, be buggy boy. He'll get her figured out. It's pretty close. First dump, here we go. Well, we just did the calibration and we're within 100 pounds, so we're pretty happy with that. Not extremely happy with the yield so far. I think we're averaging like 150 dry, which, all right, I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Maybe this, we'll just see. It is what it is. First 2 sets of wagons full. We're gonna go fill the dryer with them and see if we can start it. Also, Owen and I just got talking. So when this combine got a bunch of replacement parts because that S9 got a replacement sieve in it. So my old sieve, you control the whole thing from the cab, front to back. The newer updated ones, they want you can control the front of the sieve, but the back is manual, and they just kind of want you to set it to a certain setting, and that way it allows better airflow, and you're supposed to get a better sample, supposedly. I forgot to change that when we were doing soybeans, so we thought, hey, better go look at that quick. So we got time, we're gonna do that. 24, 52.6. Our test weight definitely isn't there this year. We are October 30th. Happy Halloween. That clock's not right. Need a battery. So it's noon. %, and we are 52.6. Not super heavy. That's where our bushels are going. And it doesn't matter how prepared you think you are for the dryer. It won't start. I got a problem with the Honeywell, so MFA is supposed to be here sometime this afternoon. I'm gonna take a set of wagons down. We've actually switched fields. So once we got into that field over there, it's consistently 29%. That's a little on the wet side of life. So we swapped over to a different field, and it's going around that 23, 24% so far. So Mike and I are heading down there. We just got the first set there. And we'll fill the wet bin, fill the wagons, see if we can get the dryer started. Alright, Wes is putting the last load for this wagon in there. We'll head back to the farm, get her unloaded, and keep the process going until we fill the wet bin or they show up. Well, I don't know exactly what's going on, but I decided, hey, let's try it one more time. We got power. Doesn't make any sense. We'll see if we can get pilot and flame. That's the big thing. Boom, pilot. Reset it. Okay, maybe it's not 100% working. I'm just gonna keep playing with it and see what happens here. So we got the burners going. It is working, so I'll show you right now. We got time. Okay, why do I have no power? I don't know. I just know it started working. But we had to lube that and give it a little tap as we were trying to fire. It has to make it full swing. Anyways, now we're moving. So we'll start the unload here shortly. Letting the whole thing heat up. I just set Mike off with the empty set. So I just set Mike off with the empty set. I got the full set here. I'm unloading it. Things are happening. Things are moving. Should be. And we are drying into this bin. Okay, once this wagon gets unloaded, we'll do a calibration to that dryer. I've been just letting it run. I didn't actually go into the wet bin until I get some drier corn through. Now we're on target, going where it should. We're actually drying corn now. Okay, well, wet bin is full. We're gonna fill the wagons, call it a night. It is Halloween, and then we'll catch up with some people. Dryer is running now smooth. I'm gonna do one more test, but it's going in the temperature and the moisture that I want to in the bin, and I will catch you guys on another day. I think we'll get into the barn next. We got lots more corn harvest, and we got to finish up soybeans. So have a good one. Peace.